Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach you guys how to do the foundation double crochet. The last couple weeks I've taught you guys how to do the foundation single crochet, foundation half double crochet, and today we're going to learn the foundation double crochet. So to kind of keep in line with this little series I've been doing, so go ahead and grab some yarn and a crochet hook. I'm using a size 7, which is between a size G and an H, I believe, and let's get hooking. Okay guys, I am back. So for the foundation double crochet, just like the single and the half double that I taught you the last few weeks, let me zoom out of here a little bit, you're going to start with a chain 2. So all 3 of those stitches all require you to start with a chain 2. And then for the double crochet stitch, we're still going to work in this very first stitch or the second chain, so 1, 2, but we're going to yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook, and just like the single and the half double, you're going to start with just yarning over and pulling through that first stitch. So that process is also the same with the other 3. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that part is very similar to the traditional double crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over, we're going to go in this loop here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and now we'll do our double crochet like normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And something that someone had mentioned to me is they were having trouble, I guess, trying to figure out which stitch they work back into. So a little tip that I do sometimes is I will hold on to the last stitch. So I'll show you what I mean here. If you yarn over, go in your stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, because we have to do that step first. This part here, this bar here, I don't know if you can see this with the white, but this stitch here, that's the one you're going to work into the next stitch. So sometimes I'll just pinch that and keep a hold of it so I know that's where I need to work into, if that makes sense. So then you work your double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go into that stitch that we were holding on to with our thumb and our middle finger, draw up a loop. And that just kind of helps me keep track of where I need to work into. And then you do your double crochet like normal. So go ahead and do, let's see how many I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So I'm going to pause here and I'll go ahead and work up about 5 more stitches, and then I will be back to show you guys how to do row 2. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did 5 more stitches, so I have 10 stitches here, and that's how you do the foundation double crochet. And now if you want to turn your work, you'll just chain 2 and turn and continue back the other way. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'll do a couple stitches here. Looks just like a regular double crochet. But yeah, this is a pretty cool technique. If you're making a blanket or something, it basically takes care of your chains. You don't have to sit there and chain a bunch of chains. You can just jump right into your first row. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you guys will get updates whenever I post a video. And we will see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by.